Please. Hello everyone, here's just a quick tutorial to show you how you can avail your $1,000 instant fund account for just $1. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go on to www.e2tprop.com. That's our website. Once you are on this page, you will be able to see a pop-up, and this pop-up is going to go through all the steps. So step number one is once you're on the website, you can then register using this button, register now. Step number two is we're going to go to the dashboard once you have registered to click on start new instant funded account, and then you're going to choose $1,000 for $1. Then you're going to select your payment method and then accept terms of service and continue to pay. And then you can just start trading on the new instant funded account that you have just provided to you. So let's just follow through the steps to show you how this actually looks like. So you can also click on get started. It's in the navigation bar. So once you click on get started, you will see a page similar to this. Just click on sign up. You're going to put your first name, your last name, your email, the password, and then your mobile phone number. Once you have done that, you will be able to register. And then once you are registered, you will be able to then sign in. So once you're signed in, this is what you're going to see. This is your dashboard. And on your dashboard, you would then have a button that says start new instant funded account. What you need to do is click on this button and it will give you all the plans available. To get the $1,000 instant funded account for $1, this is the plan that you're going to select. It says $1,000 for $1. It automatically selects it for you because that's the first plan. And then what you need to do is you need to then read through the rules. Just make sure that you are aware of what the trading rules are, and then select get 1K. So this is the checkout page. Now, based on the payment method that you're comfortable with, you can either do bank transfer, crypto, and if you're based in Nigeria, Ghana, or South Africa, there's different payment method as well. For our users in India, you can also send money through UPI, and you can also send crypto. What you then need to do is just agree to the company terms of service and then continue to payment. So I'm going to use crypto as my payment method. So once I proceed to check out, it will give me options of which wallet would I like to deposit the crypto in. If you have Bitcoin, Ethereum, USD coin, Tether, Ripple, Litecoin, and there's a wide variety of coins that you can choose from. It just depends on the coins that you have available in your wallet. And then we also have Solana as well. So I'm going to proceed with Solana. Once you are on this page, it gives you a message that you need to accept, and make sure that you make the payment within the first hour, because if you don't, then the payment wouldn't reach us and then the money will be lost and we would not be able to track it. So let me accept it, and then now it proceeds to show you the wallet and the amount they need to send. That's the wallet address and that's the QR codes. So yeah, that's a quick tutorial on how you can access your $1,000 instant funded account for $1.